Hey guys, this is Kihei. I'm going to show you the LASR, Laser Activated Shot Reporter, from a company called Centrolutions. This uses any laser that you can stick in a pistol, the inertia activated, laser lights, laser marksman, laser ammo. There's a bunch of them out there that have it. So the software works with pretty much anything, as long as you could make it function in your pistol, revolver, or rifle. So to get started here, the software uses a webcam, which if you see over here, I have a webcam mounted onto my tripod, which is right there. I've made 3 Cowboy style targets, just white cardboard that I spray painted the edges black. They seem to work pretty good. So I'll set this back up here. Alright, so the software has, down in this area, it has a shot timer to it. Modes, it's got different modes you can do, just not timed. You can have remote start or instant start. I'm going to set this down here to random starts. Okay. Then you come over here to this section. There's a little block over here. You click on this and you're going to tell it where the targets are. So you hit this one, drop it down to here. That sets up target 1. This is going to set up target 2. And then this is going to set up target 3. You can set up to 9 targets. It has basic light activation up here, or light compensation. You can click on this and it will compensate for the lights that are in your area. If you make a change, you'll have to redo that. It's pretty simple. Just go up and click on the button. Once you've established where those targets are, you can then come over here. There's 3 buttons down here. There's a save button. There's a clear results, looks like a little broom, says it's a sweep. Then you've got the start button up here. So let me show you the pistols. Turn the light on here. Alright, so looking at a standard pair of pistols, and these are from Laser Marksman. They're just a bore inset laser. You place that into the bore. It has adjustments up on the front there, so you can set the windage and things like that. Orange tip on the front, so you know you've got something that's safe to shoot in the house without shooting holes in your wall. Put that in the holster. Next thing we got is for the rifle. Oh, sorry. Now the pistols are, see, they are empty. So, but when you pull the hammer back, pull the trigger, turn the light off here, pull the hammer back, pull the trigger, you get a laser dot. This is the inertia driven style. Okay, turn this back on. Now this one is a laser that fits in your chamber. This type needs to hit this little black dot with the firing pin. So this is the one I'm going to use it for rifles. The modification I did to this one, see if you can see it here, is that I filed off a flat part of the rim so the ejector won't grab onto it. This seems to work pretty good in a 73, but I can't seem to make it work in a Marlin. So let's go up here, we drop this in, put that with my new flat spot up. And that goes in. So now I can actuate this without the laser coming out, but when I drop the hammer, I get a laser dot. So I can go actuate the rifle and get that. Now the drawback to this is if you start actuating really hard, you can get double bounce, which I'm not really too sure how to get rid of yet, but I'm working on that next. This won't work in a Marlin, which really disappoints me because I shoot B Western. So, still working on that as well. So let's put this back so you can see what's going on. Now, I'm going to start the timer here. I've got it set for random. So, I'm going to put the cursor right here. And I'm going to hit the start, and then I'm going to shoot Nevada sweep. Alright, so now what that did is gave me my results. It said I did a 5.41 for 10 rounds. I can go look at each, hover over a round here and click on it, and it should tell me which round I shot over here, which it's not doing. Oh, sorry. If I click on here, it lights up. My first one was this one. So if I go look at the different rounds, it'll tell me which one was what, so I can see which one hit. Gives me shot time, overall shot time, which is the same as total time, and it also gives me my splits here. So let's hit the wipeout button here, clear it out, and we'll try again. Alright, so that's a 4.77, as you can see here, for total time. So looks like my first split time coming off there was 1.11, and splits are all down here. Tells you which target you hit: 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And if I click on one of these here, the green dot there indicates that was my first shot. So with the rifle, let's try this with the rifle now. This will be the first time I've actually tried this. So, oops, that was a little too fast. Let's try that again. Alright, there's my 10 shots. 4.38 on the rifle. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So 2. I got the whole pattern for all 10. Anyway, so that's the system. If you got any other questions, you guys know how to get a hold of me.